Garfield, you should learn something new each day. It'd lend purpose to this dreary existence of yours. I'm going to the store. When I come back, I want you to have learned something. I'm back, Garfield. What did you learn while I was gone?
Well, for one thing, I learned how to use your credit card.
I just had to call you, Zelda. That one evening we spent together is one of the most memorable of my life. I'll never forget. John Arbuckle. I've got brown hair. That's right, the guy with the cat.
Shh. John's trying to find a date. This could take years.
So, where have you been hiding all my life? Oh, hiding, huh? Well, I was wondering if you were busy tonight. Uh-huh. Well, how about tomorrow night? Some night next week? How far ahead are you booked? Well, what about after the turn of the century?
Human love. It's so pathetic.
Yeah, well, have a nice decade. Who else do I know?
You're wasting your time. You're already up to Zelda Zeekley. Achoo!
There's got to be someone. After all, I bought a new suit and everything. How do you like my jacket, Garfield?
Just a minute. Not bad, but how do you adjust the horizontal hold? Ah!
You've been sneezing all day, Garfield. I hope you're not... Hey, that's terrific. I can take you to the vet, maybe get Liz to go out with me, and then she'll fall for me, and then we'll get married, and then we'll have kids, and...
Oh, great, I'm sick, and he's planning a family. Achoo!
Come on. You've been here before.
No, I don't have to go to the vet. Sorry to interfere with your love life, but I just got back. Hey, maybe we ought to take you to the vet.
He does seem to have something wrong with him.
I have something wrong with me.
He has no energy.
I have no energy.
I'll have to give him a vitamin shot.
You'll have to give me a vitamin.
So, Liz, how about dinner tonight?
I don't feel safe around you, big fella.
Uh-huh.
I might yawn myself to death.
Do you think these make me look cool? Hey, good looking. What time do you get off work?
That's my coat rack you're talking to.
Hey, he might get lucky this time.
Liz, you and I were made for each other. Oh, what's the use? Someone like you would never go out with someone like me.
Ah, sure, John. I'll go out with you tonight.
I didn't think you will?
Veterinarians always take pity on suffering, dumb animals.
I'm sorry, Garfield, but you're not coming with us tonight. Liz and I want to be alone. Besides, you're sick.
I go with you, or the tide dies.
Get down, Garfield.
You're not leaving me home alone. The only thing on TV tonight is a documentary on raisin sorting.
Come on, get off. Let go, Garfield. Let's...
You'll start a new fashion, the semi-beach look.
I did it. I got out of the house without Garfield tagging along. Liz is gonna be so happy, and wait till she sees the box of candy I got her. Pooey.
Coconut.
Yick.
What's wrong with Garfield is probably an allergy. What's he eaten lately?
Pizza, lasagna, chocolate pie, stew, lamb, veal, chop suey, a couple of tacos, knockwurst, pastrami and rye, tapioca pudding, soup.
He's eaten all that this week?
No, that was just breakfast today. I should have known he was sick when he had no appetite. Gesundheit, Garfield. Now, for lunch, he had a little more...
What would you recommend?
Garfield?
I thought you were gonna leave him home, John.
So did I.
It all looks so good. Bring me an order of everything with a side of everything else. Not hungry? Don't worry, I'll finish it. Not bad.
Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me.
Why didn't you get a small popcorn?
This is a small. The large comes in a coliseum.
I'm allergic to something. What if it's lasagna? How would I survive? I'd sneeze a lot.
Did you have to bring him along?
If I'd taken him home, we'd have missed the movie. Shh. I want to hear who the murderer is.
I have examined all the clues.
What if I'm allergic to cat hair? I'd have to shave every day. I'd look like a chihuahua.
And at last I've solved. The Duke was murdered by none other than...
The nerve of some people.
That does it. John, if you can't take care of this cat, you don't have time for me.
Liz, wait. Don't go. I'll take him home. Well, now you've done it, Garfield. Ruined everything. I'll probably never see Liz again. I hope you're happy.
I am. My sneeze is gone.
And take your coat. It's scaring folks. Garfield, it's my new sport coat that's making you sneeze.
Sure. Looks that way.
Hey, you got any spare change?
Here, have a coat. Sorry it's not more of an improvement over the way you're already dressed.
Hey, not bad. Thanks, pal.
Well, we solved one problem, but I still lost Liz.
John, I was thinking, you really do love that cat. I mean, you'd have to. And someone who loves animals like you do is worth another chance.
Oh, yes. Yes, I love animals.
If you love me, you'll feed me.
Let's try it another night, okay?
Well, Garfield, I guess you're worth having around after all.
About time you realized that.
Come on, we'll stop and get burgers on the way home. Except that my car keys and wallet are in that coat. Hey, come back here, that's my coat. Bring back my coat.
Boy, one minute they love you, the next minute they drop you. People. Go figure.